Merriam-Webster defines honesty as something that is free of fraud or deception, something that's genuine or real, or something that's considered reputable or respectable. But what exactly does that mean in terms of leadership and nursing? To figure that out, let's take a closer look.
As nurses, we're constantly faced with the decisions of being honest versus dishonest in our profession. Even in small situations, such as walking into a patient's room with an IV push medication and not finding any alcohol swabs in your pocket, it's very easy to be dishonest and simply give the medication without scrubbing the hub. But as nurses, we have the knowledge and know the consequences of what could occur to that patient, and I believe that helps us maintain honesty in our profession.
To me, characteristics of an honest nurse is practicing within your scope of practice, being honest with your patients and keep them updated, and being honest with your coworkers.
As nurses, we're always expected to maintain honesty. A big part of that is for patient safety. For example, if I were to make a medication error, I would go ahead and take the steps needed to report it and make sure that before anything the patient was safe. Big part about honesty is patient safety first thing.
So honesty is very, very important, especially in what I do, because it can cost people their lives. From a supervisor standpoint, you have to trust that the people that you're around are being honest. Because if you don't have that trust with your junior guys, then you essentially are blind in what you're doing. I think it's important that sometimes you have to check after your junior guys and make sure that, hey, just because they said they did it, that they're doing it correctly. And if not, then that's the time to mentor. But honesty is mostly about trust as well, because if I trust you, there should be no reason why I'm lying to you. If I trust you, if I'm honest with you and say, hey, you know what? I forgot to do that, then at least we can make sure that it gets done and done correctly. But that's important. It's important to be honest.